Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is Triple Two Tarot Readings, and this reading is gonna be for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the month of January 2021. Also, we're gonna do some predictions for the new year. If you are excited, let's get started. What we have for Taurus for the new year. Let's see. Spirits, please give me messages about Taurus. Please give me messages about Taurus. What we have for Taurus. Let's see. What is coming towards Taurus in love, career and finances? And Taurus, keep in mind this is a general reading, so it may or may not gonna resonate for each Taurus out there. So take what resonates and leave the rest, Taurus. Let's see. Okay. Queen of Swords, you are alone right now, Taurus. You are alone. You don't want anyone in your life. You are guarded up. You just want to be alone. You are like this Queen of Swords. You are thinking that if this person will come, your past person or anything who betrayed you, if this person will come in my life again, I will cut him or her with my sword, because this person betrayed me, this person hurt me, they kept me in the third party, they broke my heart, and now I am alone and I am happy to be alone. I want to move on in my life, but I don't want to accept this man or woman in my life. This is your energy. Okay, and you are strong right now. You are getting strong day by day. This person really broke you, they hurt you. A very emotional energy is coming from this card towards me. Yeah, Ace of Swords again. Yeah, you are strong right now, and which is very good thing. That was your karmic cycle that was happened to strong you. Okay, you are very guarded up. You don't want any person in your life. You just want to be alone. You want to have your time, which is okay, because in the past they betrayed you, they hurt you, and now you are taking your time to heal your hurt, which is okay, which is good. Take your time, Taurus. You are on right path. Someone is dreaming about you, they are missing you, and this past person also know that if this person will come towards you to apologize, you are not accepting this apology, you are getting your revenge. You will be getting your revenge if this person will come back. Okay, yeah, they are missing you, they are dreaming about you, they are thinking about you something. I don't know what they are thinking, but yeah, they are missing you. Definitely they are missing your past memories. Yeah, let's see. They kept you in the third party. In the past they betrayed you, they deceived you for the third party. Maybe you are a married couple. Okay, if not, maybe you are in a relationship, just live in a relationship, right? They kept you in the third party, they betrayed you, they hurt you, they deceived you for the third party, they rejected you for the third party, they betrayed you, they hurt you, they broke your heart totally. Okay, I don't know who was this person, but that person was very bad. That person was not good for you, and whatever happened, that happened for you good. Okay, understand this, Taurus. Let's see. Okay, it's good. I'm happy to say this card, the Hierophant. You are getting a marriage proposal again, but your energy is very, very bad right now. But someone is coming towards you to propose you for a relationship, not for a relationship, they are coming to propose you for marriage directly. Okay, they love you, they want to take care of you, but your energy is that I don't want any person in my life, I want to be alone. But trust me, Taurus, if you are finding new love, if you want new love, true love in your life, this person is your soulmate, this person is good for you, maybe this person is your life partner. Okay, don't do that. Accept this offer is if this person is coming towards you, and this person is coming towards you very soon. Okay, you have to take decision very fast. This person is very good, and you are in a very immature energy. You are stubborn right now. You don't want any offer in your life, which is okay. I know you are hurt and you don't want any person in your life, but you have to, because this person is just one time offer, you can say. Okay, let's see. King of Swords. This person is strong person, very balanced person, very powerful person. Like you are powerful, you are strong, and this person is a similar of you. Because if you are a Queen of Swords, this person is King of Swords. Trust me. If this person will come towards you, they will propose you for marriage, and just accept this offer. I can't see anything because I'm getting that same message again and again. Yes, I just told you that this person is very balanced person, very powerful person. The Star, a celebrity, a very famous person. This person is very famous, maybe celebrity, have many admirers, you know. Let's see. Maybe you are getting two offers in your near future. Your past person and your new love are coming back at the same time. You have to choose very wisely. I know you don't want any person in your life, neither new love nor your past person, but this new offer is very good. This person is your soulmate, this person is your life partner, a businessman, a powerful person, you know. Yeah, let's see. This person is coming back to apologize to you, and you are not accepting their apology. You have to move on, forgive them, move on, Taurus. Someone is manifesting you, okay? This person, your new person is manifesting you. They are planning something, they will come at the right time. I hope you got your message. I have spoken too much. Let's see. Now I'm gonna do some predictions for the new year 2021. Let's see. And after that we're gonna do singles reading. Let's see. Let's see, Taurus. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Wow. At the end of the 2021, you will be a transformed person. Okay, if you are stubborn right now, you will not be a stubborn person at the end of 2021 like that. Okay, you will be a totally transformed person. If you are not happy, you will be happy at the end of 2021. You will be getting some promotions in the 2021, some gifts, some surprises. Very happy year. 2021 is very happy year for you, Taurus. Yeah. The Lovers, you will be in a relationship. I told you before, you will be in a relationship. We have the Lovers, okay, and this person is your life partner who is coming towards you. I warned you before, take a risk and go ahead with this person and accept this offer. Listen to your heart, okay, don't be a fool this time. And your karmic cycle is finally ending up. In the past they betrayed you, they hurt you, they broke you to the end, but now your karmic cycle is finally ending up and new and good days are coming towards you. Yeah, you are walking away from your past person, and this is for your good. You have to cut your past cycle off to be in this relationship, okay? Yes, you have to hard work. You have to hard work to achieve happiness in your life, to achieve goals in your life, okay, to have a good career. This is your card. You have to focus on your career, your finances, your goal in 2021, and then you will have a good and happy life. Take care. Okay. Page of Swords, the Devil. Yeah. So your new cycle is finally starting in the year of 2021. They rejected you in the past, they broke you, they left you in the cold, but now a caring and a good person is coming towards you, which is a very good thing. Go with this person and you are having good pentacles in 2021, happiness, marriage proposal, promotions. 2021 will be a good year for you, Taurus, okay? That's what I had for you. Now we're gonna do some predictions for the singles. Let's see what we have for singles. Let's see. Singles. And thank you for your likes, your subscribes and your shares. Let's see what we have for singles. Spirits, please give me messages for singles. Wow, a very good offer is coming towards you. The sun, a very good relationship is coming very fast. Not very fast. This person is coming slowly. Sorry. This person is coming very slow. You have to wait for this person. You have to wait for your true love. Yes, waiting is important in the true love. And yeah, we have the sun, the lovers, Knight of Pentacles. An offer is coming which is very good, and he is or she is your soulmate. Okay. And wow, I'm very happy for you, singles. For some of you, it's your message that you have to cut your past cycle off to be in this new relationship, to be with your life partner. Okay, focus on your work, your finances, your goal. This will happen naturally. Okay, this person will come to your life very naturally. Let's see. And this person will be very hardworking person. Yeah, this person will be a different person from you, right? Opposite attracts, like this. Okay, so maybe it's your message that you have to save some of your money, because maybe you will be having some money issues in January 2020. Okay, you have to save some money for that. And guard yourself up from fake persons. Okay, yes, guard yourself from the fake persons. Yeah, and very good relationship is coming towards you. Your partner is coming. We have the lovers, nothing to say after this. Yeah, okay, singles, let's put some love notes now. It's time to shine. Your past person still feels a connection with you, singles. Be happy, don't stress, and spend some time in nature. Okay, those were your messages. I hope you like this video. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and comment down below. And I'll see you next time, singles. Bye.